Alright guys, so welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well. The crypto market today is looking much better than where it was yesterday. As we know, yesterday, okay, we saw Bitcoin dumping, even altcoins dumping as well. Pretty much the entire, crypto market was dumping yesterday, even the stock market. Okay, so in today's video guys, I do want to give you guys an update, okay, on what is happening right now with Bitcoin and the entire crypto market, because it's looking much better today than where it was yesterday. And there is in fact a fair few Bitcoin charts that I do want to show you guys, because understand guys, I really do believe, okay, in the next few days, okay, and of course as we know, we're about to enter the new month of February. Okay, and as we know, February is a very bullish month, okay, for Bitcoin. So I'm expecting next month, okay, February, to be a very good month, okay, for Bitcoin. I really do believe a parabolic move is going to be happening for Bitcoin during February, right, next month. So understand guys, Bitcoin holders, I hope you guys are ready for this, okay, for this bullish move, because understand guys, okay, a bullish move is going to be happening for Bitcoin. We will see Bitcoin going parabolic, meaning we will see Bitcoin going back up to its previous all-time highs of $109,000, even reaching a new high. Okay, it's going to happen, guys. Whether you're ready or not, okay, it's going to happen. Bitcoin is not going to wait for anyone. Okay, it's going to happen. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Okay, so let's talk about it, guys. Right, let's talk about it. So Bitcoin right now, okay, $103,000. It is bouncing back up. We're currently in the 1 hour time frame, and yeah, right now, okay, Bitcoin is looking absolutely amazing. So yeah, we know Bitcoin did dump yesterday. Okay, went all the way to as low as $97,000, 97.6. Okay, $1,000. So it's recovered back up to $100,000. Okay, went up to 102, and then it came back down again. Okay, below $100,000, back down to 98K. And now Bitcoin is now bouncing back up. Okay, now it's sitting at $103,000. So Bitcoin is still looking pretty good. It's still holding strong above $100,000. At least right now it's above 100K. So that's amazing to see. And obviously, right, last week especially, we saw a lot of volatility, okay, happening for Bitcoin. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. But I really do believe Bitcoin soon enough is going to be going back up to its previous highs, even reaching new highs. It's going to happen, guys. So be ready, okay, for that. Now, remember guys, yesterday, okay, yes, we saw the crypto market collapsing. Okay, we saw it, well, it wasn't collapsing, it was just pretty much having a small pullback. Okay, yesterday was nothing. I've seen worse. I'm pretty sure we have all seen worse. Okay, but yeah, we saw the crypto market dropping. We even saw stock market. Okay, the stock market was dropping as well. It wasn't just crypto. So Nvidia, okay, Nvidia dropped quite a bit, guys. It dropped like over 15%. Okay, so Nvidia dropped quite a bit. And the reason why, guys, Nvidia did drop and had this massive collapse is because of this, right? So Nvidia, okay, US tech stocks crumble on news of Chinese AI app DeepSeek. Okay, and this is pretty much one of the main reasons why, okay, we saw Nvidia having this drop, right? And that obviously caused the crypto market to pretty much drop as well, guys. Okay, so that is that. But yeah, the crypto market today is looking, much better than yesterday. It's slowly, recovering back up to the upside. So the market today is up over 2%, almost 3%, and the global crypto market cap sitting at 3.52 trillion. So looking much better. I believe yesterday it was sitting at like 3.4 trillion, right? So it's looking much better today. Bitcoin is up over 2%. Same with Ethereum, up 2%. XRP today is up 6%. Solana today is up 4%. Same with BNB. Okay, same with Dogecoin. Cardano is up 5%. Chainlink up 4%. So yeah, a lot of alts, okay, you guys can clearly see are in fact, slowly bouncing back up today. Okay, today is a recovery day, right? We are in fact seeing a lot of, a fair few greens for a lot of alts, right? You guys can just clearly see that. So today is looking, much better today than where it was yesterday, right? Because we know yesterday was a disaster. Okay, we saw quite a bit of corrections yesterday, but that's crypto for you. Okay, we're gonna get days like that, guys. Okay, and now today, okay, everything is pretty much bouncing back up. So you guys can clearly see the Bitcoin monthly returns. We are now pretty much back at 10%, almost 10%, right? Yesterday we saw it at about 6.8%. So obviously, since Bitcoin is recovering back up, up to the upside, it's now back at almost 10%. So so far it is looking pretty good, okay, for Bitcoin for this month of January, right? It really, really is. But as I told you guys, okay, next month is going to be a crazy month for Bitcoin because usually, okay, February is a very, very bullish month for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin holders, be ready for that because I really do believe next month, February, we're going to see a massive bullish move happening for Bitcoin very, very soon. So be ready for that, okay? Now, getting into the chart, starting off with Ethereum, I get it, guys. Okay, Ethereum hasn't really been moving, but you guys have to understand, okay, Ethereum, okay, it's going to move like crazy. We will see Ethereum reaching back up to its previous highs, even reaching a new high. It's going to happen for Ethereum, guys, okay? And I know a lot of people right now are losing faith with Ethereum, like myself. I'm not going to lie, right? I would have expected by now that Ethereum would have reached at least back up to its previous highs, even reaching at least a new high above 5K, but clearly not, okay? Because we see Bitcoin reaching new highs. Okay, we saw Bitcoin reaching back up to its previous highs, even reaching, new highs, but Ethereum, on the other hand, has not done that yet, right? Which is quite surprising. So understand, I get it. Ethereum hasn't really been moving, but understand, guys, Ethereum will move. Okay, very, very soon we're going to see Ethereum move. As we know, alt season is about to begin. We're going to see the Bitcoin dominance collapsing. Okay, it's going to drop like crazy, and that's going to be a huge signal for alt season. So understand, Ethereum is the king of altcoins. Okay, it's the largest altcoin in the market. Okay, and it's the second largest crypto coin out of the entire crypto market. So understand, guys, when alt season does begin, okay, we're going to see Ethereum going parabolic. Okay, it's going to move, guys, and you guys can just clearly see in this chart, right, what happened in January of 2024. It seems like it's going to happen, okay, for this month, January 2025. Okay, and I don't think this is going to happen this month. I think this is going to happen next month in February. Okay, so I really do believe alt season will begin very, very soon, guys. And when it does, we're going to see Ethereum pretty much lead the way for alt season. Okay, remember, Ethereum is the king of alts, right? It really, really is. So Ethereum is about to move, guys. Okay, it's about to move. It's gonna, pretty much go back up to its previous highs, even reaching a new high. So Ethereum holders out there, be ready for that because a massive move is about to happen for Ethereum. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin, and I want to show you guys this chart right here because this chart is actually very, very interesting. So it says here, every Bitcoin correction post all-time highs feels like the sky is falling, but data shows everything is right on track. The RSI Bollinger Band percentages phase gave us the fourth cross of 0.99% value line in November, which is the all-time high break. Next up, the fifth cross, which is the cycle top. Okay, and you guys can clearly see right here, we're about to see the cycle top. Okay, so that means, guys, we're about to see Bitcoin going much, much higher. Okay, we're about to see it going much, much higher. So, guys, get ready. Okay, we're going to see a bullish move happening for Bitcoin very, very soon. Okay, then we're going to see a cycle top, right? The next thing, okay, is a cycle top. Okay, we're already seeing the all-time high break. Okay, and now it's going to be going to a cycle high top, guys. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Okay, be ready because we're going to see Bitcoin going parabolic, okay? And Bitcoin, okay, it's going to shock a lot of people, right? When we see Bitcoin reaching $130,000 to 150 to 180 to 200K to even 300K. And with the Bitcoin strategic reserve happening, I think Bitcoin can push to 400K to even 500K, right? It is very, very possible. I'm not saying that will, 100% happen, but there is, okay, a chance that Bitcoin can do that it can reach those levels of 400K to even 500K. It is very, very possible, especially with a Bitcoin, strategic reserve happening. So Bitcoin holders, be ready for that. Now, Bitcoin parabolic, okay, advance. So you guys can clearly see, okay, we had the first advance, the second advance, and now the third advance. And then, of course, right after the third advance, okay, usually that's when we see bullish moves, okay, happening for Bitcoin. That's when it just goes crazy. That's when it just goes parabolic. So you guys can just clearly see that is the next move. And if you look at the past, right, we have seen the first advance, the second advance, and the third advance. And what happened right after the third advance? Bitcoin skyrocketed. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. Okay, same thing. Okay, what happened in 2021 to 2020 to 2021. So we saw that black swan event, and that was because of COVID. Okay, so we had that COVID crash, and then we had the second advance, the third advance, and then right after the third advance, it pretty much pumped. Okay, so understand this is where we are right now. Okay, we've been through the third advance and now we're about to see Bitcoin go on parabolic. So understand, Bitcoin holders, okay, I hope you guys are ready for this bullish move that's about to happen for Bitcoin. So get ready for that, guys. Now, yes, yesterday, okay, we saw Bitcoin dumping. Okay, yesterday, yes, we saw Bitcoin dumping, but understand when in doubt, zoom out, and you guys can just clearly see right here. Okay, Bitcoin crashed, right? And look how, just look how small this dip is. Okay, so understand, guys, remember, okay, when in doubt, zoom out, and you guys can just clearly see Bitcoin is still completely fine, right? There is nothing to be worried about. Everyone yesterday, okay, that were panicking, okay, that they, that were worried, okay, there is truly nothing to be worried about. Okay, when in doubt, zoom out, and you guys can clearly see overall Bitcoin is still on track. It's still completely fine. Okay, there is nothing to be worried about at all, right? You guys can just clearly see that, right? So that is that. Now, market strategy, they're still continuing to buy Bitcoin. Okay, these guys, okay, they're still continuing to buy. Okay, the CEO of market strategy, okay, Marcus Saylor, we know, okay, how bullish he is for Bitcoin. So these guys, they're still buying, and just clearly see, okay, yesterday they bought more. So they acquired 10,107 100 Bitcoins, okay, which is about over $1 billion, $1.1 billion. So they now hodl, okay, 471,107 100 Bitcoins. Okay, coming up to 500,000 Bitcoin, guys. That's insane. Okay, that is insane, guys. Okay, and as we know, MicroStrategy is, okay, the largest, not one of the largest, the largest, okay, company out there that holds the most Bitcoin. Okay, and I really do believe one day they're going to, hold at least 1 million Bitcoins, over 1 million Bitcoins. I really do believe that's going to happen one day, 100%. So that is crazy to think about, guys. Okay, we are in fact seeing, a lot of adoption happening right now for Bitcoin. Okay, a lot of institutions, okay, companies, right, even countries, okay, around the world are in fact, adopting Bitcoin, right? So we know where Bitcoin is heading long term, guys. Okay, so that is that. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look at that, Bitcoin is pumping, guys. Okay, right now Bitcoin's at 103 almost 103,300. Okay, so Bitcoin right now is pumping, looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin, right? It really, really is. So I will keep you guys up to date. But yeah, Bitcoin is looking, much, much better today than where it was yesterday. So looking pretty good. Okay, looking pretty good for Bitcoin. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I will keep you guys up to date, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.